First thing is that you need to head over to runawayml.com and make sure to sign up with Google account you have. So let me sign this up right quick. And once you guys have signed this up, then you need to click on skip. This tool give you like a free trial. So you can just close this. And you can bring your image to life just by clicking on start with image. Or you can also do the start with text. But I would prefer using images since you are going to give a quality image, that's why. So click on start. And alright guys, so now to upload your image, you need to click on this upload a file. Then you guys will need to choose your picture. Mine is on camera roll, so I will try to animate this Naruto character and click on open. Well, now I will simply click on generate. So this will take like 1 minute so far. The image has been ready. And let me play this. So this is how it's looking like. As you guys can see, the character's eye and everything is also been changing. So you can try uploading another images. So let me upload another images as well. So let me delete this. So let me upload a file. From here I will choose Kung Fu Panda this time. Alright, the video has been ready. Now let's play this video. Whoa, look at that. Okay, so the limbs is kind of funny right here. I don't know what's going on, but it's kind of good. And same thing, it's looking weird. Well, this is how it should look like when you are animating. Let's try the one last image. Alright, so this time it will be Mario. Now click on generate. Alright, so it's creating the image, animation. So this is how it should look like. There we go. Kind of good, right? So this one seems pretty good because it's animating all the background stuff. Also, yeah guys, I forgot to mention that you can still extend this for 4 seconds. It is really good, but it requires you like 20 credits. So yeah, just try to extend this Mario clip once again. So let's wait. Alright, our image is ready to be animated. And this time it's 8 seconds, as you guys can see that. So you can full screen and play. And let's see if we see any kind of changes. Yeah, there we go. We have some cool changes right there. Alright, so let me check if you can still. Yeah, if we can still extend this. So let's extend this. Continue extend this. Alright, once again, it's been ready. And it's 13 seconds right now. Let's see any kind of changes been had this time. Well, now we see something over there. Okay, it's just animating. Okay, so it's moving everything, but the character also been torn out. You can see Mario's eye. Do you see that? So more the animation you're going to do, the picture is going to be destroyed like this. So yeah, but it's still worth it because this animation is really crazy. So if you wanted to download this, click on share and publish and copy link, and then go to new tab, then paste and go and let it be load. Or also you can simply click on this 3 dot icon and simply click on download. Alright, and it should download you the video. So there you go, we have downloaded this. Alright, so this is it. Okay, so guys, this is it. So this animation is really good, and if you really think this video was useful, then drop a like and hit subscribe if you guys are new to the channel. And yeah, see you guys in next amazing content. Peace out.